Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells HS4101 hair straightener. On this box you will see this photo. This is what the hair straightener looks like. We have some extra information at the back. Over here it's written instant heating technology, 45 seconds quick heat up, ceramic coated plates for frizz-free shiny hair, easy shaping floating plates for easy styling, tangle-free swivel cord for hassle-free maneuvering. Highest temperature is 210 degrees Celsius. Advanced PTC heating element maintains optimal temperature. Plates lock system for safe and easy storage. 1.8 meter power cord. We will take a look at all of these things. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. Right at the top we have a manual. This is an operating instructions and guarantee card from Havells. So this particular document carries all the information required for this particular straightener and how to use it, how to style it, etc. Everything is there. There's a how to use section in this particular document that you should go through at least once. I'm going to keep this over here for now. There you go. Now let's take a look at the straightener. So this is what it looks like. I'll give you a better look. Just to zoom out just a bit. This is what it looks like. It has a plastic body and currently it's locked, so I'm going to unlock it, see how it's done. So this is the locking mechanism right over here. There is a knob, so currently it's locked. All I have to do is pull like this and there you go, it opened. Over here you can see these are the ceramic floating blades in question. I'll try to show this to you better. These are the ceramic floating blades in question. And this is the power button right over here, the switch, the on-off switch button. What else do we have? I'm going to lock this back in just to, it's easier to handle when it's locked in. So all you have to do is press the plates close together and then push this knob up like this. And now it's locked. You can see it's locked now. So when I have to open it, just have to pull the knob like this and it's back. So there you go. So this is the tangle-free swivel cord. This is a 1.8 meter long power cord. This is a 250 volt power cord. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Havells HS4101 hair straightener. Thank you for watching.